You must saw my other video there that I ate inside. I was eating stuff inside the frog. Now I got the what do you call it? Intestines. Ooh, the intestines of the frog. Now I'm gonna eat them. No, 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 no. One.